Hey guys, today I will show you the integration of the webhooks to my main mod, the PvP-PvE mod. So you will get a new webhook JSON where you can set up your webhooks, and you have different endpoints. That means you can have multiple webhooks. So here you can see I have two. So which will be one for the public view for the players and one for the admins here. Why we do this is simply because we can hide player names and coordinates in the webhooks. So when we choose to make this one and we only want to log zone enter and exit or whatever, we can also do it like so and only enter PvP and entering, and that's it. And also exit PvP. Then when we go in game, we can reload the webhooks. And now I will show you how it looks like. This is the test webhook. You go in Discord, channel edit, integration, webhooks, and then you copy the URL. Then you go back to the file, paste it in a webhook URL, and paste it in here, save. Then you once have to reload again. And now I'm going to open Discord on the side. When we go now from this zone, we're going to zone 3, which is exit. We're going to exit this, and there should be a small delay. Once the timer is gone, there should be a webhook. So that is player exited PvP, hidden and hidden. Now when we enter, it shows is entering PvP, hidden and hidden player in position. Now when we go here and change it to 0 and 0 to hide player coordinates and names, it basically will allow us to see the names. We reload the webhooks, go here. Then we're going to leave this zone and wait until the exit timer is gone. And there we go. Survivor exited PvP mode. Position is this one. Right? You can state changes, log state changes, whatever you want. And also what is pretty cool to have is when, wait, did I load it expansion? Expansion, no, I did not. So when I go here and we go and load expansion with this, oops. Just add workshop items bundle. And then we're going to add the license, of course. Fuck. Like, and then we add 2. Oh, fuck, I did not save that. Overwrite. Again, like 2 and save that. We're going to start the server now. And then okay, start AD, start AD. Then I go Hyper-V and open a second machine. Connect. And then choose. I'm going to join on a second account on this. Reloaded, so we need to close that. Did I do here? So we close this one. This is starting. This is fine. We reload. Then check. Expansion is loading. We join that server. In. So I maybe have check folders again for wrong files. But yeah, we do that later. Okay, so now we are loaded in. Then we have change the weather. Discord. You see I logged in. It's logging that I logged in into a PvP zone, of course. So what we're gonna do now is go out of here. Then we're going to spawn a territory flag kit and we build our base and create a territory. This only works when you use expansion, what I'm going to show you now. So we created a territory. Then we go to webhooks and on player entered origin territory. So we save that. We reload the webhooks. And as you can see, the territorium is only for me. And if this is loaded up, then now it's loaded. And I put the second account to me, which is not a member or owner of this territory. What? Then you will see in the Discord, origin territory entry, Ninjin tester entered territory and the name of the territory, the owner of the territory and the position of the territory. Right, so yeah, this shows the territory, which is setting in my PvP mod, which is coming also then. Actually make it so expansion territory. To be able to use this webhook for territories, you need to make sure that you have check expansion territories set to 1 in the main config. And here you can see that we can draw the territories. I want to disable this and this also and this. So when you see that here is territory name, owner and member count. So when you reload main, it doesn't show up anymore. But if you wanted to see it as admin, set these to 1 and reload main again. Yeah, this needs a fix, I believe. So see, this was wrong. This works only if you have the drawing active. So I maybe misconfigured this one. Yeah. Territory names. Okay. I need to change this a bit more. But yeah, you get a hang of it. You get a Discord message that the player did enter the territory, which is not his own territory. And yeah, of course, you can hide these. And if you want to have a public webhook, use like this one, and then have a private one with a new URL and enable the hide player names and coordinates, and then players can see when someone entered the PvP or PvE or whatever, right? Okay, that's about it. Hope you like it. See you next time.